Hiya, thanks for joining me. I'm going to be resorting some of my fabric. I know I did it a little while ago, maybe a month ago. I went and put all my scraps here. I also did all the rest of the cupboard, and I'm like, I'll be fine with the scraps here. It's a great place to store them, but it's not a great place to use them because they're all just shoved in here. So like in boxes, and I'm just like shoving things in where I can, but then how do you use them because it's all just shoved in? But I had this idea, and so I decided to go with it. So we have something here called Kmart. It's like a big department store. It's really cheap. They had, can you even see them because they're see-through? Oh my goodness. They're these really clear tubs, and I'm thinking they stack in here. Let's go. So they don't reach the top, but yeah, like I said, this is my other video. This is kind of temporary, but they fit along there, so hopefully I will be able to sort them. And if it doesn't work, then we'll find another home for them. But when I was trying to figure out the colours, I'm trying to put that back there, and I just dropped my colour sheet. Oh no, where did it go? Oh, here it is. I was on the back of a school thing. I was trying to sort the colours out because I've got 4 fit across the top with about like a little bit of a gap at the end. So I'm trying to divide these into 4 colours. So I'll have a blue green, a yellow orange, a brown, a grey. What is it? Brown. What? I got a brown, black, and grey. Does that make sense? Where am I going to put white? Oh, okay, right. You should see this. It's like really messy. So I've got blue greens together, white, yellow, oranges together, pink and reds together, brown, blacks and greys together. And then I'll have maybe in the small gap that won't have a tub, maybe, I don't know, I'll have all the patchwork fabric and the uglies fabric. But, because sometimes, you get little patchwork pieces joined together. But I was saying, I've already started, and like, is this blue? Is this orangey? Like this is to be, I get stuck. So I've just put it to the side because I'm completely stuck, and I've got like 3 pieces of fabric in there. This is the 4th piece, and I'm like, I don't know, what would you call this? Blue, pinks, oranges. Anyway, also stick with me because I found the best, oh my gosh, the best thrifting find for a sewist, I think, in the universe. It was the best thing, but it's kind of on this table here somewhere, so I've got to clear this out so I can redo this. So I'll find it and I will show you. And seriously, it is the best. It's the creme de la creme of thrifting finds for a sewist. I couldn't believe that I got it. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I've got to show you. So most of this video is just going to be me sorting fabric, if you like that, the thrifting score, and hopefully putting them all back in nice and neat. So stick with me. I would love to love your help occasionally trying to figure out the fabrics. Thanks. But before I show you the ultimate fabric find, or I got from the op shop, let me show you. I'm trying to manhandle these pieces of fabric. Yeah, I'm going to put them over here. I found some really cool fabrics in the meantime that I'm going to show you. So these are from the op shops. This one was from just a generic op shop. This was $5. It's a tablecloth. Check out this embroidery. How cool is that? And in the middle, I'm probably just going to use this as a tablecloth. I have a coffee table that I love changing and putting these these tablecloths on, but $5 and all that. It's actually hand stitched. All that work, beautiful. I got this one yesterday. This is from Vinnie's, and it was $6, and it reminded me of my childhood. So, oh, it's going to fall down. Oh no. Okay. It's toadstools. Do you remember Hobbytex? Am I that old? I can feel it. It's like it hasn't even been washed. Like someone's Hobbytex toadstools. Now you can actually still buy Hobbytex. I looked it up, but they haven't updated their patterns since the 80s. But how cool is this? Once again, I'm probably just going to use this as a tablecloth because it's awesome. And I got this. I think this was $4. I can't remember. Now I only bought it because, like, oh, this is so cute. No, I don't have the price on. Oh, hang, here's the price. Oh, it's $2, and it was just from a generic small op shop. It's a panel, and it's for a pig, and it's pretty pigs. And so where's the actual pig panel? Here's a pig panel. I just thought it was really cute, and I thought I might just one day when I want to make something and I don't know what I'm going to make, I can just make that and donate it to somewhere for Christmas. But it was kind of cute. Right, now the ultimate thrift score for sewists, right? This is amazing. This cost me $20, a little bit more than what I would normally pay. $20, $25, but there's 82 squares of quilted squares, or quilt squares. It's 82 of them, and they're 7 by 7 inches. But look, someone has quilted all these circles the proper way, not the cheap way which I would do it, but look, like, and they're all nicely pressed. I'm just grabbing a handful, so I have a really cute one here. Let's see if I can show you. This one's really cute. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'm obviously, I can't do this. It's just too neat. But did someone just, like, give up on a project halfway through? Like, you know, like, some really cute squares in here. But look at the back. They're just, you know, this one's got little frogs on it. Do you know, there's only one in here that I don't like, and it's got like crowns on here, but it's just 82, and so that's like how much? Oh, how much is that? Was that what size quilt would that be? My brain is not mathing. You know, it's winter here. Like, I'm just so cold. That's got bees on it. No, like, they're just adorable. There's no way. I was going to do a circle quilt, but I was going to do it where you sew a circle over a circle, and then you, like, cut it out, turn it so you got the nice flush finish, and then you sew it onto a square. No, these people have done it the proper way, where they have put it down there. It's done properly, and they've done it in the curve, and you can see all these little edges. Like, what a find, right? What a find. So I was thinking maybe can I do a couple of single bed quilts? Can I do a couple of single bed quilts for my kids? I don't know, but yeah, I saw that and I was like, I don't need them, but oh my gosh, I want them. So I bought them, and to me that's, I think, my favorite find ever, because that's just like premium quilting without me actually doing the quilting, because, like, I can't do it. But I have you actually right now resting on a piece of scrap So I'm going to get back to the scraps because I've got some here, I've got some here, I've got some, oops, don't fall down, a whole bunch here that needs sorting. Yeah, no, there's more here coming out. Oops, don't fall out. Some more here, because I'm thinking quilt scraps, something that is basically hand sized, I can fold. Actually, I would probably call this a fat quarter. Actually, yeah, that's a fat quarter. So that's coming out. That's going to make life easier. So they will go into, that's like yardage. In fact, to me, in fact, that's yardage, right? That's like something that you can make something out of. You can make something like a bag out of this stuff. But the smaller stuff, which is just falling on the floor, if it's hand size or like a strip, then it's a scrap. And they most think, yeah, like this is a scrap. That's how I'm deciding it. Tell me how you determine what is a scrap. What is a scrap? But yeah, I'm going to go do these now. It's done. I have done it. So let's have a look. What have we got? This up here is a bag of scraps, but it's for a specific project, so I'm going to leave it there. These are yellows and oranges and white, pinks and reds and purples, blues, greens, and I think I've got the most of those. It's overflowing, and browns, greys, and blacks. So it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. A lot easier to use. I have quite a few projects I've got planned for now when I want to do sort of a gradient effect. Perfect. In the side here is quilting squares, or what do you call them, patchwork squares. I did give away a little bit of fabric via Facebook page. It's just sort of baby fabric, not really suited, but I'm really happy with that. I'm glad I spent a day or two doing that. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.